Regina Daniels' mama just released one hot banger. In fact, they're supposed to award this woman Artist of the Year because the kind of love song where she sing, even me, I'm surprised. So our mom is the sabi chop love like this. They could just they pretend they do am underground. See this woman, she come outside. She can't sing one kind music. Hey, the music even torturing my body. I can't there so now so love they sweet. She sing and to her shori. In fact, what did they even sing inside? It be like say young and old. She they try tell us say, no matter where you find love, make you no shake. As far as saying I love, make you hold them. My people beg, make you follow me, listen to this sweet music when me say I hear.
My hand calling, voice yelling, take my hand and walk me right into your hands. All that I know, the feeling is deep, I just can't explain. They make my head a banga, again and again. I'm in love with you, love with you. I'm in love with you, my boo-boo. Only gonna be need boo-boo. Again and again. Oh yeah. White, you may be old or young, it doesn't really matter who you are. Will love come meet your heart, or you will ever fall.
I don't know where an Indian film. I mean a shori movie that they act and they won't understand. Because this kind of music, in fact, now the kissing part now surprised me. And then even the daughter herself shocked. She said, Mommy, what is happening here? Because she's surprised. So what be this? And I hear her, she said, you hear it, you can be old or you can be young. As long as love is the key thing. Don't stress yourself. She don't give her the solution. Age na just number, forget them. But this woman, she no good. This woman no be good woman. She carry her own pikin, go give old man. Make the man, they suck in own blood, they dry him. She now, she can't go get young boy. We go they energize her. We go they do her the thing, strong thing. She don't even listen and say, pikin na young girl. She don't even listen all those ones. She want to enjoy life. They enjoy her life. I beg go, waiting they happen inside this Nigeria where we dey. And Nigerian people make a no lie. Now I'm a born and go kill all of us. You know, say now I just calm down. The reason say this love what we hear say Regina Daniels mama and this mama. I sure say no be marriage. I sure say maybe now this music video and this woman do. Now people can't think say two of them don't marry. I sure say now the reason. I sure say now this just this music video where they just won't do. Now I be the thing because if I watch the setting where now the same dress where she wear inside this video now I see for the wedding setting. So I may say maybe not be anything even special. But as a reason everybody deserve to be happy. If she feels say now here I love pot today, auntie I beg go for them. If you feel say now there you find love, I beg go for them. Because if you reason and say you won't go follow old man, we say the man no go give you love, he no go give you. But I beg if this thing can't turn out say now music video, it means that this woman just give all of us a laugh. She just slap all of us for face, so because it just means say she don't use everybody play. Because that time when this wedding, now so everybody they talk say she don't go marry young boy, carrying daughter. So if you can't be say this thing a lie, it means say this one, the thing don't even spoil business. It don't spoil business for her because I should say many people even follow her because of this whole matter. Say she go marry this young guy. Now I can't be saying a music video. Nothing will not go see inside this Nigeria. Everybody they just want blow by force by fire. Mama will be say she supposed go rest. They think about her grandchildren. She said, all by fire she won't get this money. last everybody go make this money. My people beg. I hear this one. I can't make her bring and come. Make her service in her ear. Hear what they happen. Make her don't forget to comment, like, and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video. One lady wey accuse Peruzzi say Peruzzi tried to rape her. She don't come outside say God don't they talk to her. Hey people, say she don't they see vision say God don't tell them things about Peruzzi. For those of them who don't know this girl come outside one time say Peruzzi tried sexually assault her. So she and her friend Aisha been waiting be that one name. Say they go Peruzzi house. For 1004 for inside Lekki for that place. Those of you now know the house. Girls, this is why I mentioned the name. I don't talk to make and go there, go they find them. But as they go there, they say, I don't know what happen. They can't say they go sleep for there. The girl and her friend sleep for bed. The girl can't talk, say, Peruzzi can't come on top of bed where her friend dey. Some people, if they lie, they know they even write the lie down. Think and wait before they talk am. They go just gather, they talk lie like say, na marry 2 children, they tell the lie to. See, as 2 of them they sleep, na there Peruzzi come try to they touch her for body. But she say, this kind of thing she no fit take am. She can't stand up, say, make she enter inside the parlor. Say Peruzzi thing no stay grey am, it is still follow am, they walk her, follow her, enter inside parlor. Before she go see, Peruzzi don't shift her pants. Shifting of pants matter don't enter this matter. Say Peruzzi shift her pants, come start to they do the thing. Now dear Peruzzi come rape her. But as the matter yarn that time, Peruzzi talk say, him no be rapist, so say he no know anything about them. Person won't sleep, rest, okay, we don't forget that matter. Now dear auntie evangelist come wake up again this morning. Say God really told her, say she dream about Peruzzi. And she dream say Peruzzi go die. Hey, say in fact Peruzzi don't already even die. Nobody say he go die. Say he don't even die. Now there she come dey cry, she dey emotion. I mean, I don't even read. She talks say she dey even thank God. Say because na dream, she can't even cry. Her what is it? Her hunchback you want mention because I never know which kind of nickname be this one wey go give Peruzzi. Huncho, I mean a huncho, I know they understand. Then she can't dey cry. Thank God say na dream. Oh, say but as the matter be like this, she don't come and say make Peruzzi take care. Say life dey short. She don't want to fight any. Hey, on a this strategy. This girl will she go just come and say, Peruzzi, I still love you. I won't come back to you. Talk the thing plain and simple. If you want chop, you go chop. If you want collect, you go collect you. You can't there now, can't they use a dream. They cover everything. Say you know one hold grudges. Say like they shall make everything end. But I beg, as you know, say you get this kind of message for Peruzzi. Why you not carry your phone? Call and say, Mr. Peruzzi, I dream about you. Like this, you die. I be this one happen to you. Why be say you can't post them? If not be say you just want blow. When I see girls, she just want blow because now what are the reason? She just want get in that because that time she trend. So this one now she won't use and trend the girls. People don't forget her. She won't come back again. She can't talk say then she see Peruzzi. But fine, make we accept and say true you dream about this because Peruzzi. Make we just accept and say yes, you dream. But I beg Peruzzi, this kind of matter and this girl, you supposed to pray about the whole matter. No be to come outside when they post. You pray about a matter. I mean, to just carry your phone, when they tweet, say, this one happen. Don't be about that one. And Mr. Peruzzi, this one way don't hear, I beg. Be na fasting and prayer. Be na ori okay, go climb. Go climb and start to do that prayer now. Because I know they understand what they even happen inside this BMW, I mean a BMW gang. Person just die, never take. Now, person don't they see dream again about another person. Not be about you, where can they talk say, no weapon formed against you shall pro. I beg, forget that one. Devil feel they work in different ways. So this one, if it be another vision for you, okay, go pray about them. Well, not going to hear another story where they touch again. But I feel say this lady own it, not just because I say she won't trend, she won't blow. Then, in fact, desperation and cause I do this one because something like this, you supposed to even chat the person normally. Now, personal thing. Not be say you could come outside, they talk, make everybody know say, the person won't die. Because any smart thing do this guy now, they go to say, now your dream where you dream. So I beg auntie, next time, do and where. My people, I hear this one, I want to make a bring them, making a service now here waiting they happen. Make you not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video.